Insulation day.
The first step is the hardest one. It's like, oh, once you get going, you're going, but it's that there's so much to do.
Yeah, so we're going to be gluing Thinsulate with a spray glue on all these panels. We'll eventually go down through all these. We are going to put some insulation up in here.
Yeah, I popped this off, and that's just all open space up in there, so we'll insulate up in there.
Yeah.
And when you pull that down, you can access panels here. You can step insulation down all these nooks and crannies that just...
So they put some foam in here, but it's,
Well, it's
like a 3-inch strip.
yeah.
So that actually will help a lot. It seems daunting, but I like days like these because you can see progress when you're done. So far today, we've gotten a lot done. I have piles of the cutouts strategically labeled. So come tomorrow, we're gonna be able to just come in and start gluing. We did get this insulated and put back up, as you saw. We started getting them through all the little, some of these we're leaving open to run wires, but the ones that were not, we've insulated through. Wow, look at that go.
Oh, ye of little faith. Every panel is cut, labeled, stacked, ready to put on. We're gonna do that tomorrow. We're leaving this open for now. This, that. Probably this area and this back area
To run wires.
And once we get the wiring all done, because that's where George says we're going to need to do the wiring. So once that wiring's done, then we'll come back and we'll fill all the last remaining holes. What do you think, Pistol? Are we done?
You're a pretty good shop dog, huh, Pop?
Yep, good.
All right, so we'll meet y'all back here tomorrow morning, and we will get to gluing and spraying and sticking.
Gluing, spraying, and sticking.
It'll be like craft day.
Yeah.
Yeah?
It'll be like a craft day in the band.
Craft project. It's glue time. This is amazing.
was actually a lot easier to work with than I anticipated. I'm really happy with it. I think if you know anything about insulation and vans and van builds, it is something that will be debated to the end of time, and everyone has opinions, and some are really strong. There's wool, there's foam board, there's this, insulate, there's a lot of things. This is what we've chosen, and I'd like a lot of the reasons of the off-gassing, that doesn't occur, and that moisture doesn't affect it. It's an acoustic barrier. A lot of good reasons for us to use it.
I'm really excited about it. This was a main reason I wanted to build a van, to have it insulated. I already feel cozy inside here. Yeah, so the next step I think for us is going to be getting the garage floor in. I think that might be our next project.
And wiring. We gotta get wiring ordered, or George has to let us know what to order, I guess.
Yeah, we gotta figure the wiring out. There's lots to do, but I love seeing the progress here, so I'm really excited. All right, we'll check back in with you, see what's going on. Now the temperatures are dropping a little bit outside, so we may be able to get out and about this week sometime.
Yeah, it's only 85 and humid now. It's surprising how nice a humid 85 feels after 100 and humid feels.
It's doable.
It's doable.
All right, we'll catch you guys down the line.
Carry on.
Carry on.